Howdy, y'all. How's it going? Good day to you. SN Foil, welcome in, the pacifist. Good to see you. Thank you for the dosh. Is that what I call it here? Yeah, dosh. Um, yeah. What a weekend. I don't even remember what I did. I said that because that's what you say. But how's everybody doing? Foil! Foil, thank you for the bits. Or not the bits, the dosh. Also, Foil, you're relatively new here. Save your dosh. Save your dosh. Other people, they'll pick up the slack. For what? I don't know. Literally anything. Yeah. How's everybody doing? I'm gonna pick up where I left off on Friday. I was implementing a bunch of fun stuff. All this good stuff right here. I think I got all this in, and now I need to work on the UI. Don't listen to him. It's an anti-Unity 6 conspiracy. Just working on my game tonight. Nice. I'm going to try and get some work done today. I got so I've been trying to get some conversations written as well. Like before I jump on stream, I try to work on dialogue and story and that kind of stuff. It's really hard. It's so hard. I'm not a writer. I'm not a good writer. And making convincing characters and not making every character just you, it's really hard. Doing my best. All right, so what's the new thing I got to do? The heart system with the little gift indicating what tier our reward is on. Earlier, I was kind of tweaking things about like, what if my code isn't optimized, but who cares? If it runs, it runs. It's true. If it runs, it runs. If it doesn't, lower frame rate. If no one notices, it's fine. As long as it's like just as long as you're not saying that like every 5 seconds and then eventually it adds up to 100 things that you can optimize. And just try and stay out of update. Yo, Yag. Yag, how are ya? Augie, how are ya? How's it going? I'm in the very early prototypish stage of development. Yo, D Jocelyn, how's it going? Thank you for the raid. D Jocelyn, you're working on the kickflip. You're Nitro Thrash, right? Yeah, I've been visiting your stream lately. Thank you for the raid, Nitro raid. Yeah, how the hell are you? Shout out to D Jocelyn. Is it D Jocelyn or DJ Oslin? Or is it Jocelyn? Yeah, welcome in. I noticed you stream, so I threw you a follow. Yeah, thank you. It's D Jocelyn. Got it. DJ. I'll just call you DJ. All right, DJ. Yeah, thanks for the raid. Welcome in. If you, for the rest of you, if you don't know who I am, my name is Andrew. I'm making this cozy game called Alpine Lake. It's an innkeeper life sim game. Been working on it for about 4 years. I'm I want everyone make sure to follow DJ. They're working on a really cool. It's like it's like if you were skateboarding, but you're a car. It's like Rocket League, but instead of playing soccer, you're skateboarding and doing tricks. Um, yeah. Do you have your Steam page up yet? I know you were working on that last time I visited your stream. Or if you have any kind of videos to show off, I'd love to show the people. You do have a Steam page now. Nice. Link it. Give us a link. There it is. Let me pin that. Take a look at it. Oh, this is great. Can I play the trailer, please? There we go. That's so awesome. So you're in Unreal, right? This looks fun as hell, yeah. Oh, you're in Unity. Wait a minute, how did I not notice that? Did I really not notice that? That's crazy. Okay, yeah, we do Unity here too. That's the trick I remember watching you do 40 times. Ah. Nice. All right, everybody. Add it to your wish list and follow. Very cool. Very cool. Yeah, I've got a demo out. Feel free to check it out or not. No worries. It's been out for about almost 3 months now. Yeah, it's been about 3 months. So today, or at least Friday, I started working on like the game loop and the life cycle of a guest that comes to stay at your inn. And I'm trying to like make it fun. Not, I mean, yeah, make it fun, obviously, but like provide enough variation in their needs and their story and their activities that just make it satisfying. So I'm working on giving every guest, so they're not randomly generated. Every guest is like handmade, and I'm giving each one a name, a story, a reward that they give, either an item or these locations that they're from. There's a collectible type that is a location that you have to like feed to another NPC, and that NPC goes to that location, and then you get your item reward. So it's kind of like a two-step process for that item. And I'm trying to work out the flow. So that's what you rated into. But yeah, I really appreciate the raid. Also, Noah JS20. Thank you for the follow. I missed that before during the trailer. I used to play the trailer whenever anyone rated me, but I'm sick of my own trailer, so I don't even play it anymore. Is that rude of me? Meh. If it's interesting, people will click the link. But I'm gonna carry on. So yeah, I just started. I literally was saying hi to people, and then bam, raid. Did I miss any chats? Wait, yag. I'm yagging about. Working on texture for a box. How are you? I'm doing good, Yag. Kinda. I'm glad you're doing some artwork. You were saying on Friday you were having a hard time doing the art, but now look at you. Look at you doing art. Yo, 5 stream streak. Thank you for streaking. I should probably do that. What, show the trailer when people raid in? Yeah, now that you got one. Definitely do that. There's like a whole spiel. I learned all these things from watching different streamers, and I cherry pick kind of what I like from each one. And sometimes I'm just like too tired to do it. It's like, you know what? I'm just going to do nothing. I'm going to be completely unwelcoming. All right, so this is it's UI time. It's UI time. I have to do the annoying thing. Refactor some UI. Oh, yeah, relate to tired. Yeah, today I'm not feeling it. Today, all right, so yeah, you asked how I'm doing, and I said good, I think. No, today I'm not feeling it. So cranky. Another cranky game dev day. I always turn it around during the stream. Like, I guess just talking and venting while getting work done, it always helps, but yeah, I'm cranky today. Guest log, panels, guest log, description panel. Okay. These moods pass though, which is nice. It's nice that moods pass. So here's the window I need to refactor. I need to have only 4 hearts and a little gift icon to show when you get access to the either the quest or the conversation or something. Hey, Ani, I'm here for Cranky. Yeah, you're here for Cranky. Oh, how's it going, Ani? I was looking on your stream a bit. You were doing a lot of pixel art today, but I was kind of in and out of the computer room, spending time with my wife in the morning, so I didn't say hi. But yeah, where were you up to? All right, so I have a star. It says star group, but oh, that's because yeah, those are stars. Where's heart group? Mid panel, heart panel. Do I have a heart panel controller, or do I do that in the guest description panel? I think I do it right in the guest description. Yeah. So I'm just gonna get rid of one. Get rid of one. I can make this smaller and make room for other stuff, or I can just make the hearts bigger. We'll just make the hearts bigger. And I need a gift icon. Let's see. Let's see. Doing all right. Basically 2 streams back to back. Is self-promotion okay? Yeah, definitely. Share what you were working on or doing or whatever. Share anything. Excuse me. I know I have a gift icon, but do I want to make a nice one? I feel like I want to make a nice one. Kind of in line with these hearts. Did I make these hearts? I think I did. Yeah, I made this heart. Hey, X-Simbi. Welcome in. How are you? What am I doing? Do I want to make the gift icon right now? No, forget it. I'm just going to gift image. We're just going to use a baked one right now. Icon. I'm sure there's one here. And is a gift the right icon? I think it is. Present? Look at that. I have a present. I kind of want this always on top. Is there a way to do that? I feel like I could add to these hearts what is it? A layout element? Layout priority 5. And then give this a layout element and say 6. Nope. That don't do it. Pretty good, just started work nice. The first thing, Robotech83 and I have a new co-working stream. Nice. Today was set up 2 hours on her channel, then 3 hours on mine. We'll be starting Saturdays from 1 to 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Very nice. Very nice. Yo, Sorrow. Sorrow, how the hell are you? Is there a way to make a child image the thing on top? I thought this was how. Apparently not. I guess I could just do another panel that has GIFs. Wait, where did the hearts go? Oh, this panel has an image on it. Whoops. Remove. These should all be 90, right? Why are these different? That's weird. The stream will be very dev-focused content. We've been working on secret projects. So it's not, you're both not working together. You're working on your own projects, but you're doing like a collab, stream collab. Okay, how about this? What if I copy, paste in here, delete, move, in, remove, and then 0, 0. There we go. 20, 25. Oops. Only want 4. There we go. Spacing 0. These are too tiny. Yeah, okay. Not sure I like this. Not sure I like the look of this. Hey, Virtue. How are you? Second, I did a pixel art for 6.5 hours afterward. I designed dialogue boxes using 9-patch rect through Godot and then made 2 animated emotes. Nice, nice. Shout out to Ani. Yeah, I encourage everyone to give them a follow. Let's see. How do I just shift this over? I guess I need to do this. And then move over, move up. No, that's not right. Yeah, of course, Ani. Anytime. Always welcome to share. I hate this. This looks terrible. I mean, so theoretically, only one of them will be visible. Wait a minute. How come when I put the gift in the heart was on top? Can we talk about how that doesn't make any sense? Right? That doesn't make any sense. The child should always be on top. Why do I feel crazy? Oh my god. Because I was on the wrong heart. I put it on the wrong heart. I'm such a moron. I put it in the wrong heart, and I was like, this is just behind a different heart. So stupid. There we go. There we go. I don't need separate groups. Okay, actually I like that. I like that placement. You gotta see that top shape, or else it doesn't make any sense. No being hard on yourself, even if you're right. You know what? I actually don't like that I do that. I don't like that I'm like, oh, I'm so stupid. It's like, I don't know. It's probably not fun to watch or hear. And I don't like doing it. It's just natural. It's just my like knee-jerk reaction. Can't help it. I'll try and be better. Okay, that's cool. That's cool. So here's what we're gonna do. Yag, thank you for the dosh. That's what matters. Yeah, figuring it out. It does matter. I still need to stop being so hard on myself. It's not cute. All right, so now I can literally just turn them off, and then I know which one's which. So do I want to be able to like reveal? Do I want like half hearts or just turn the whole heart on, the whole heart off? Like, do I want a progress bar throughout the heart image? So what happens if I actually do this? I put this heart in here. I don't need multiple gifts. We'll do this. Make this heart grayscale. I'll just make it blue for now, because whatever. And then this heart gets to be a filled heart. And ooh, actually, ooh, I like that. I like that. That's cool. Filled. Probably not radial though, right? What is 180 degrees? It kind of works. The 180-degree radial kind of works with the shape. But horizontal just like Yeah, it's classic. This works best. Okay, that's what I'm going to do. So this is the heart background image and the heart fill image. And the heart, yo, Soul Retriever. How's it going? So we need to make all these background images some kind of darkened state, right? I guess I don't need to make a grayscale one because turning it blue just like makes it look empty. Empty hearts. So sore. I went to another concert and got banged up in a mosh pit. I go to another one on Halloween. Worth every bruise. Nice. As long as it's worth it. Oh, right. Not again. I'm like, where are they? Gotta remember to reset these. Okay. Cool. Cool. Okay, this bothers me. 0.5 is not the center of the heart. Look, 0.5 is not the center of the heart. This is driving me absolutely insane. Why? Why is this? It's because the drop shadow. It's because the drop shadow. And the drop shadow is like being influenced. That's so annoying. That's so annoying. It's fine, whatever. I'll live with it. Don't you just love Unity's UI system? I complain every time I deal with it. It's very good. It's very powerful. It's usually user error. Like, if there's anything wrong, it's user error. Except when it comes to scroll views and the stuff you have to do to make scroll views work with a controller is psychotic. Like, you have to write your own scroller. It doesn't automatically focus on the thing that's selected. That was so bizarre to me. I was blown away by how that wasn't included. Shots fired, but yeah, user error a lot. I mean, yeah, of course, I'm always blaming myself. Should the gift go on the left so that you know the gift is revealed when you enter this heart and not when you exit the heart? Like, you think that communication matters? Let's try it. Okay. So now we have hearts. Excuse you. And we have the gift and we have the fill. So we just got to do some calculations and hide and unhide and easy peasy. On the left, it kind of blocks the heart as it fills. It is harder to interpret to me. That's a good point. What if I do something like this? All right. Yeah, I guess I like it on the right more too. If the communication is confusing, I'll switch it later. Yo, Turgus, is it true that you were the featherweight champion in an underground Japanese fight club for game developers? Not entirely. That is not 100% true. I'll leave it at that. Part of me wants to upgrade this this panel image that's literally everything in the game. Everything, every panel in the game, every button, it's just the same graphic. I feel like there's stuff I could do to it to make it better. Whatever. We're doing this for now. I feel like I want to make a very simple script that is a heart controller that has a reference to its fill and its gift. And I don't want to have to do that all from the NPC guest controller. So I'm going to do that here. Let's say C# heart container, guest heart container. Public game object gift icon, public image, heart fill. And then init heart. Seems like a test to see if he'd snitch. The mob is watching. No comment. So init, what do I need? I need like the percentage. So float percentage, and then a bool is gift. Gift icon dot set active is gift. And then heart fill dot fill. Oh my god, what am I looking for? Fill amount equals percentage. I'll call this fill. I guess I'll make this a prefab. Oh, you know what I'll do? I'll give it an index, actually. Public int index. And then instead of passing along like if it is a gift or not, I don't want to do that logic. I'm just going to pass along the index of the gift. Gift index. And then set this to true only if gift index equals index. Okay, that's cleaner. Yo, plot. What's good? Every pony? Every pony's good. How are you doing? Also, the Mustachio Game Dev. Welcome in. How are you? Oh, you know, I can be fancy too. Let's be fancy. Start. I won't even set the index. Private. Let's see. For each transform in parent. Transform.parent. Right? That's going to go through all the children. X plus int x equals 0. X plus plus. If transform equals, or I'll say if trans equals transform, index equals I. Oh my god, why? No, index equals x. And then return. That's fancy, right? So I don't have to set it manually. It'll just know. I was doing level design for the first time in a very long time, and I was trying to remember how to do my door system. Doors are hard. Doing fine, working on an isometric tile engine. Nice. If either of you have anything you want to share, feel free. Let me know what you're working on. I played a game on Saturday. A game for reference called Luma Island, and they had a door system. Well, it was gates, like fence gates, but you know, could have been the same for doors. It was really good. It was one of the best in-game doors I've ever seen because it opened up with the physics body, but it was almost spring-loaded so that once you stepped away from it, it slammed shut. But if you didn't get out of its way, it didn't fully close. So it was always as closed as it can be. But if you're in the way, it wouldn't close. And then once you walk away, it'll spring shut. And then if you go out the other way, it opens the other way. And it never intersected. It was never in your way. It was like it was not there, but it didn't show any graphical errors, and it was kind of beautiful. Yo, Luma Island looks sick. It looks great. The demo's nice. The demo's good. I'm a little, I don't know. I don't know what to think of some of it. They made a lot of design decisions that I like and some that I don't. And the ones that I like, I don't necessarily want to implement. The ones that I don't like, I'm wondering if I'm wrong and they're right. And I should be designing stuff like that, but I don't know. I didn't experience too much that I was like, oh man, I really got to refactor mine. Like it's got to be more like this. I didn't have any of those moments where I thought I was on the wrong path, which is good. Yeah, doors are hard. I'm not certain a soft door would be nearly as effective as keeping people out or at keeping people out. Wait, I didn't go back far enough. And it's like you got to connect to the scene end position in the scene where it'll appear. So what do your doors do? They're not just graphical. Are they like portals to other zones? And I'm like, this is super cerebral and giving me a headache right now. Yeah, doors are funny. There's a reason why doors are like one of the hardest things to make. There's a lot of like conceptual nonsense you got to think about. And there's, you know, every game has a different reason for doors to exist. Doing a Metroidvania, so the doorway is what leads from one scene room to another. I got it, yeah. My eyes are betraying me once again. 'Tis time for sleep. Have a good stream. See you later. Foil, have a good night. But yeah, Luma Island is pretty good. It's pretty good. I'm wondering like what also was demo and what was intended for like final game. I had a hard time caring about what any of the NPCs said. And I don't know if that's because of the game or because of me. And as someone that's making a very dialogue heavy game also, like I don't want players to feel the way I felt where the first thing out of the first NPC's mouth, I was just like, I do not care. And I'm like, let's see how I can play this. Let's see if I can play this game without reading any dialogue. And I blasted through it. And yeah, the dialogue didn't matter. I was able to play the game fine without reading it. And it was kind of hard to read for some reason. I don't know why, but it was something about the design of it. I just couldn't focus on it. Thank you for the hydrate. Okay, let's keep going. But yeah, I don't know how much I learned. Maybe I learned a lot and I'm not giving it credit. Where's this prefab? Where does this prefab live? Probably in content. UI prefabs. UI prefabs. NPC database menu? NPC guest description panel? Yep. All right, so I'll put it here. Heart. There we go. 4 hearts. So now instead of accepting an image array, we'll accept heart container. Oh, it's upset. Why are you upset? Oh, right, because I do stuff. So we'll say nothing for now. Heart container, nothing. Are some doors locked? But you know, if you get 2 or 3 doors in a room, you got to move the player around for the position coordinates. Oh yeah, so I have something very similar. You know, when you port from one location to another, the location you're porting from needs to know the future position and future scene. So you got to load it, move the character, fade from black, make it all seamless. We probably do very similar things, even though this obviously isn't a 2D Metroidvania. All right. You're using Gadoodles. Gadoodles. Who isn't using Gadoodles? All right, so what are we doing here? Relationship points. I multiply it by 100th. I don't want to do that anymore. Now what I want to do is divide it by 25. Get relationship value. Get relationship value. Let's see. What I really want to do is something else. Right? Relationship. I feel like yeah, get friendship level. And then get NPC experience to next level. That's what I want. So their level is level 1. Wait, what does this return? Can this return a 0? I think so. I think it's this plus this. Okay. And then this is how much you fill up the last one. I think. Also, I have way too many scripts open right now. I'm so confused. It's open source, and this is my first project, so I'm starting with something affordable. I've gotten used to most of the engine by now. I'm actually building more than researching, which is nice. It's good when you finally get over that hump of making features and then making content, or learning and implementing. There's a hump there that's really hard to pass. All right, so what I really want is an int of get current relationship level. Relationship. What did I call it? Oh, it's friendship. Friendship. Wait, get friendship level name. I don't want friendship level name. I want friendship level. Okay. Public int get NPC friendship level. And then it's sheets NPC dot relationship points divided by that's right. I had a second value here. So experience at EXP per relationship level, and then private int EXP per. Yeah, that's right. I needed 2 values because the EXP to get to the next level for a guest is 25, and for a citizen it's 100. I need 2 values, and I need to know which one to query. EXP per relationship. I'll just say guest. And then this I need to not do that. I have to say if NPC dot NPC type equals basic. Else. Oh wait, point. I don't have to do that. Points int points per level equals XP per relationship if guest points per level equals guest, and then okay. There we go. Finally broke past it earlier this year. Started really making strides forward. Nice. It's fantastic to hear. I am all for Foss and Godot. Is really put together with care. I don't know how to use any of it, but it's super cool to watch. Yeah. No, they're doing a great job. The whole Godot scene doing a great job. So if I divide these two things and I return an int, it's just going to drop the decimal, which is pretty much what I want. It's just going to floor it. Why is it upset? Because this is like, what's the difference between floor to int and casting it as an int? Is there zero difference? If I get a -1, that's bad. Debug.log, bad. Warning log, bad. Guest or NPC not a type. This is no way to get to here, but whatever. Log warning. One day, maybe I'll have different kinds of NPCs other than basic and guest. Okay. So what does that all mean? Get, excuse me, friendship level. Get friendship level. Int. So we get the level. Then we know how many times we want to how about float? The remainder, I need to expose this thing actually. This should be public. And I might need this to be public. I don't know. Hide in editor. Hide in inspector. I don't have any interest in changing this value. Floor function returns the largest integer that is less than or equal to the argument, while int removes any values from after the decimal. Yeah, you just described two of the exact same thing. All right, so I need to go through all of the hearts, right? And say if x is less than relationship level, then I want to heart dot init heart color fill. I need the fill percentage. So the fill is 1 and the gift is, ooh, I don't know. I don't know what level the gift is yet. I have a tier standard, but that's room tier. This is a gift tier. I guess I need some kind of value here. That's like, this is when the guest will give you your gift. Public int guest gift tier. And then I'll say range 1 through 0. Do I want it starting at 1 or 0? Probably 0. 0 through 3. There's four tiers. And we'll start it at 0. Oh, negatives. Negatives. Forgot about negatives. Honey, you got me good. I've played a couple days in the demo so far. I'm glad you could pet the duck. Yo, DJ, you didn't have to play. Thank you. I can't believe I forgot about negatives. I like seeing when people are making. Oh, seriously, I appreciate it. I appreciate it. So then the guest heart container will say gift index. The gift index is mpc.gift tier. So now it knows what to do with that. And what I do now, that's only if x is less than the relationship level. If x equals relationship level, then I want it to be the percentage, which is npc system.instance.get xp to next level npc divided by the guest npc guest exp. There we go. And then still feed it the npc.gift tier. And then this definitely needs to be a float. I feel like I got to make these floats before I divide them, or else they're not gonna give me a good value. Yeah, an int and an int. I highly doubt that will return a float. Maybe it will, but I'm not taking any chances. And then if x is greater than, if x is greater than relationship level, hearts x init 0 npc that guest tier. Okay. Is that right? And then to reset it. So this is how I want to reset it, right? Reset window. Set them all to 0. Oh, but I don't know what guest it is. Heart. I'll just say false. I'll say -1. It'll just never show the gift. Okay. What should we listen to? More Zelda? Nah, I don't want Zelda. Need something more energetic. This ain't energetic. Do some Ghibli. Come on. No. Don't make me watch the ad again. What is happening? There we go. Now I must sleep. Have a good stream. DJ, have a good night. Thank you so much for the raid. Yo, Darkwood. You're early. Winter hours started yesterday, so I'm just late. I did start early today. I started 10 minutes before I usually start. But yeah, there's no switching of the time here. There's no daylight savings and vice versa. So if your time changed, then I did not change with you. All right, here we go. Let's see. That should just work now. Guest Clay. I'm gonna also give all of these random tier numbers. So I'll just select them seemingly at random and give them a one, two, two, three, two, zero, one, zero. No, none of them can be zero. None of them can be zero. Yeah. Because if there's zero, then they're immediately like giving you stuff. We don't want that. Gotta work for it. All right. How dare you? A full 10 minutes? Yeah. How's it going? Okay. Let's see if that worked. I need a function to give random relationship points. I think I made one. I don't remember if it does it to only basic guests. Give random. Give random. Where'd I put that? Right here. Where are you? This. Set random. That's what I did. And I only did it for basic. If pair.key.npc type equals a guest, pair.value.relationship points equals random.range 0 and 25 times 4. That's 100. That's 100. I could do that. I could do math. Q, you setting the hearts to 1% and then min-max meta is to make everyone angry so that the meter goes into the negatives, thereby passing 0% and giving you gifts from all of your enemies. That's so confusing. I'm pretty good. The voting of the Godot Wild Jam ended yesterday, ended 28th in overall from the 112 entries. Yo, let's go. Darkwood, congrats. That's pretty good. Top 25%. Good stuff. Yeah, happy for you. Yeah, let's check. We are in ads. I am sorry. AL dot set random relationship points. Then AL dot set have met everyone true. Okay. Thank you for the hydrate. Thank you for forgiving stream elements. So that didn't work. It didn't work. Why? Why didn't it work? NPC system. That's a basic. So what I really want is if does not equal guest. What do I want to show? Have met? Sure. Spoken? Don't care. So let's just say relationship points. So have met. Also, this old string.format, terrible. Let's do the new way. $. No, whoops. Name goes here. Have met goes here. Relationship points go here. Cool. I'm beat today. Whoa, unhappy. Unhappy. Why? I don't know. So AL dot set random relationship points. Okay. Oh, look at that. Everyone does have random points. But then when I go here, no one... Yeah, what's happening here? Hail dot set have met everyone true. Oh, look, everyone's still false. Why? Well, that's weird. Because it's showing me their names and their favorites and their preferences. So what's up with that, yo? What's up with that? Check have met. I check the dialogue Lua. Oh, it's because the debug have met and the actual have met, two very different things. Okay. That's I forgot about that. Get have met. Yeah. Not check have met. Whoa, I have get have met and check have met? That must be an oversight. Check have met. What is check have met and get have met? I want to not use this. How many people use this? No, nobody now. The only function that used that was that debug. Okay. That's so funny. Whoops. Whoopsies. I wonder if that is why this isn't updating. Probably not. But that was just its own little oopsie. I was also playing Rocket League with second favorite, and it's dangerous journey. I feel myself wanting to play it again. Like, ooh, maybe I want to get good at it again. It's so dangerous. Set have met. True. There we go. Now everyone's true. Excuse me. AL.set. Random relationship points. Turgus. You devious. I'll play it the second I get this working. Danger zone, yeah. Did you want to play with me, or should I just play? All right, not working. So what's going on here? Guest log, panels, NPC description. Finishing schoolwork, then going to bed. I guess I'm on my own. I'm gonna lay down, maybe sleep. Hope you have a wonderful day with tons of productivity. Ani, you have a good night's sleep. Wait, am I dumb? Am I a dumb person? If X starts at 0, we get the friendship relationship level. Let me just print this. So npc name relationship level is relationship level relationship points I don't even use anymore. I just want like max relationship level. That's what I want. So maybe that's what's, oh, that's why. It's because, yeah. Maybe. I don't want between min hearts. I just want to do however many hearts there are. Hearts dot length. There we go. You don't have to play if you don't want to. I thought it was funny. No, I do. I'm just once I physically see pixels changing on the screen, I'll play. I just turned the PC on. I have a feeling that the Rocket League redeem is pretty unpopular. Like, I don't think people really want me to just like take a break and play Rocket League because it's not always fun to watch. But what I've realized is that that's okay. And if I need a break and I need to just play Rocket League on stream, that's okay. I need to somehow figure out how to take breaks so I can actually stream longer. Because if I just do straight work the whole time, my brain just falls apart. Oh no, I accidentally started the PC. Oh no. Whoops. Whoopsies. Do you really think people don't like it? I think it's a mixed bag. You know, people are here for software dev. And there's a reason why they're not watching people game. Maybe they're not in the mood to watch people game. Maybe that's just not what they like. But basically 100% of the people here like software dev. And it just doesn't add up. The numbers don't make sense for 100% of the people to also want to watch Rocket League. Ew, video games. Exactly. You could have one to play your stream team demos instead of Rocket League. Yeah, that's fun. But the whole point of that is to like be a break for me. And it's debatable whether or not playing other people's games are truly a break, you know? Who said I love software dev? Yag. Set random relationship points. Okay, we've got random relationship points. Bam, there we go. Okay, cool. So it's showing me the gift here. And the only thing it's not doing is it's not doing the partial fill. Why isn't it doing the partial fill? It's only doing it for the first one. If it's not the first one, it won't partially fill it. Sup with that. Sup with that. Someone else made Rocket League, but I'm saying, but Rocket League is tried and true, you know. I know I love it. Whether or not I find the ability to decompress playing a random game, that is debatable. Yo, XO, how's it going? All right, so I just need to figure out why I'm only showing. So if X is 0, I'm showing partial. If X is 0, but if X is 1, then it's not doing it. So, oh wait, that's right. What did the print statement say? Okay, why did I just hit clear? Undo clear. I'm so stupid. Whoops. Let's try that one more time. AL dot set have met. True. What if I do capital T? It still works. AL dot set random relationship points. Okay. Go away. Okay. We've got level 1, level 2, level 3. Yeah, everyone's got levels. Great. But, why isn't this working? Guest EXP. Let's just print this. Print. Divided by this equals this. So this divided by this equals the whole thing. What's going on here? Have you played Guess the Game? That is a fun one for the audience to help with. I have not heard of that. What is that? But did I say but and then never finish my sentence? Oh, that's why. That's why. Wait a minute. Wait, am I an idiot? Yeah, I'm an idiot. Because get NPC, get EXP to next level is the percentage. What the hell is that? What is that? What is this music? What is happening? Oh, it's this. It's the trailer. I'm like, where did this come from? That was amazing. I must have refreshed the page or something. That was so funny. I'm going to put this over here. I'm going to put the fire with the rest of this fire over here. Why did autoplay like an hour after? I think I alt-tabbed to it or something. And it refreshed the page and just autoplayed. Or some, I don't know. I have autoplay turned on. Oh, I do have it on. Turn that shit off. Also, Turgus, what is this? Let's guess the game. Oh, this. I've seen this. I've played this when I used to go to my company's all hands meetings. We'd play this. We did this for like movie posters and like guess the year. It was like a photo, and you just had to guess the year the photo was taken, and there was clues. Yeah, it's pretty fun. It's fun. I like it. The autoplay toggle on Steam is so useless. Yeah, what? I mean, I guess if you're like literally clicking through pages, searching for the next game you want to buy, yeah, I guess you want autoplay. So the experience I need to the next level divided by the experience per relationship level. How can this possibly be more than one? This doesn't make sense. Oh, yeah, that's why. Because I need to do the same thing I do here. I need to return different values for different types of NPCs. So this is if we're a basic NPC. And then this is if we're a guest NPC. All right. That should work. That's why it only worked on the first one. I mean, I feel like it was just a coincidence that it only ever worked on the first one. Because theoretically, that should have worked everywhere. Does anyone even use Steam? I mean, I'm not a PC gamer, so I don't. I feel like it's a little, I'm like a little bit of a heretic because I'm a game dev that doesn't PC game. I'm definitely a console gamer. There we go. So don't collapse, clear. 0.48. Drake's relationship is 0. 12 divided by 25 is 4.8. Yep, that's right. Farley's relationship is 3. 0, 1, 2, 3. And then 9 XP divided by 25 is 0.36. This looks correct. All right, cool. We did it. All right, Turgus. It's Rocket League time. Where? Oh, right. I got trapped in my parsec the other day. I had no way to move the mouse like off the parsec. The parsec was full screened. I had no way to unfull screen it, and Command Q wouldn't quit it. There was literally no way to get off parsec. It was insane. I felt crazy. It took me like a solid 5 minutes of trying to disconnect. So what is the hotkey for Command Shift W? Nope. Press that. Not a thing. All right, let's do this. So the only way I was able to get rid of it is to click this button to unfocus from the windows and then move the mouse over. Hopefully the controller's still hooked up. Yes, good. I'm gonna leave Ghibli music on because maybe it'll be good. Maybe it'll be nice and relaxing. I'm just gonna go into competitive too. Why not? All right, everyone. We're doing a Rocket League break. If you don't like it, that's fair. I'm sorry. But I will say, I was playing with second favorite yesterday morning. We did very well together. I think we won like 3 out of 4. It was good. It was good teamwork. Exo, how are you? It might take a second to get a match. Nope, we found one. That's good. Jeez. Came in swinging. Oh. I don't understand. Like, I'm finding that platinum players are way better than they used to be. I can't believe I messed that up. I don't understand what's with the skill levels lately. Like that's these kinds of moves that this person's doing. They're not like gold level moves. Huh? I should have had that. Like, the gold 3 doesn't know how to do that. I mean, I guess maybe a gold 3 can do it with bad aim and miss. I can't do it. Oh god. Oh god. Oh, I'm back. Gold 3 doesn't know how to do that. What is happening? Look at that shit. I can't do that shit. What is going on in the world of Rocket League nowadays? If Gold 3 can do that, what the fuck did Diamonds and Champs look like? This guy's playing really hard. I feel useless. Like, the only way I can win is if this guy makes a mistake. That's insane. Oh no. Oh no. God damn. Okay, that's okay. That's okay. This is why I don't play competitive. I get competitive. Like, I have to know what rank this person is. It just doesn't feel right. Of course. All right, whatever. Okay, I did my best. No, I have to know what rank is this person? Plat 1. Yeah, Plat 1. It's like that wasn't a high rank before. But now Plat 1 feels like expert level. I'm just confused. Okay, we're done. Back to game dev. I like getting crushed. I like it when the game makes me feel like that because it makes me never want to play it again. It's like, oh right. That wasn't relaxing. It's better for the game when Rocket League spanks me. Cause you're a masochist? No, it's like I guess it's like being a sore loser. It's like, all right, fine. If I'm gonna be that bad at the game, and what I thought used to be mediocre level players getting like absolutely getting crushed by them, then yeah, it makes me not want to play. Which yeah, better for the game, better for my health. I feel like it's I think it's better. But it's definitely signs of being a sore loser, which is okay. I'm okay with this. It's the equivalent of rage quitting. But that's what I'll do it every year. I'll play for like a month per year. And then after a month I realize, "Oh, everyone's gotten so much better because they didn't take a break." And I'm not playing anymore. And then next year I'm like, "Oh, you know what? Let me boot it back up. And see what happens." Oh, everyone's even better. I quit again. Dwarf Fortress moment? Oh, wait, Exo, I missed your message before. I'm sorry. Really tired. Had a big in-person event last Saturday showing off my game. Yo, nice. That was some crazy dribble. Yeah, every dribble that guy did was just like on point. Knew exactly what they were doing. I've practiced that stuff. Like there was a year when I was like, I'm gonna try and get good. I practiced my dribbling. I practiced my wall dribbling, like air dribbling, all the dribbling. I never got good at it. I just can't control the car like that. So I guess that's why I'm just stuck. And the funny thing is when you play twos, no, like there is no dribbling involved because you never have the ball for longer than like a second. It's only like 1v1 where your like skill shines, and it makes the losses even more frustrating when you play like someone who's just like a savant. All right, so we got this working. There's something funky about it though. Maybe I want to indicate whether or not you received the gift. So maybe I have a gift color and a gift, like a gift color achieved and a gift color for not achieved yet. So let me do that. I'm trying to be better at telling the player things, so the more I say, the better. And then if you're like trying to get every item from every guest, you'll clearly see which ones are grayed out. So gift index and then int or bool gift received. If gift received, then gift icon dot color. No. Oh, then I need a reference to the image. How to stop being distracted with games. Only play games that make you rage quit. Exactly. I should sleep. Exo, thanks for stopping by. Have a good sleep. Let's make this the image, and then this can be dot game object. Color equals white. Else color equals 0.1 F. NPC dot guest. Oh wait, how do I tell? Guest gift tier NPC system dot instance dot received get guest gift received NPC. So I need another bool. I hate adding stuff to this thing. guest gift received. Dot guest gift received GGR. Is spamming what a save still a thing in Rocket League? It always is. It always will be. I had my my moments where I'm like, you know what? Chat is too toxic, so I just blocked all chat. But then I'm pretty chatty, but in a nice way. So I turned it back on just so I can be chatty and be nice. And then I turned it off again. I think where I'm at right now is it's on. Chat disabled for 3 seconds, yeah. It's pretty much how it is. It's so toxic. It's a pretty toxic game. Get gifts received. Public bool. Get gift received. NPC sheets. NPC dot guest gift received. Return. Simple. Easy peasy. So they should all be turned off by default. What? What are you upset by? Ah. False. Ads starting in a minute. I feel like ads just happened. Did 45 minutes go by that fast? Damn. Wow. I'm being slow today. Maybe UI is just this slow, but I'm not usually this slow, right? So set al.set have met true, and then relationship points I don't care. Just want to see the gift icons. Oh, that's right. I changed it to be a UI image. I didn't set it in the prefab. For real though, I thought I've been here for 3.5 hours. I did so much today, some of it even on the game. Yag, let's see it. You never share your work. Come on, Yag. Let's see something. Please. What's Unity? What is Unity doing nowadays? So I switched this to an image, but it didn't actually grab it. It's like it's fake. This is fake news. When I click it, it doesn't highlight here. When I click this, it highlights. This is fake news. I don't like fake news. Now it has it selected. I don't like it. Also, these don't need ones. Because they're prefabs now. This doesn't need a one either. It's a prefab now. Wait, no, cancel. Discard. Oh god, what have I done? There we go. Yo, Carlito. How's it going? Oh, you're in ads. Okay. Hold on. Yag's sharing something too. Yo. I know we're in ads. We'll talk about this cube later. We'll talk about this cube later. Missing reference exception. The variable does not exist anymore. I know. You don't have to throw errors for variables that don't exist anymore. I'm the one that deleted them. Okay, cool. It's all grayed out. You know, I do the fun like animation of the progress bar here, and this one is just like it's there. It exists. We're back. Welcome back. Okay. This is a nice box. I've never seen a box. This is the most detailed box I've ever seen in my entire life. You were like, I'm not just going to do default cube. I'm going to go to town on this cube. You went to town on this cube. Also, Carlito, welcome in. How's it going? Game's treating me well. How have you been? I remember your stream. You were one of the very, very, very first people to play the demo unprompted. Or actually, I can't remember if I emailed you or not. I think I emailed you. I tried to make it not too portally. What does the portal box even look like? Portal box. That's what that looks like. Yeah, no, your box. Very not portally. Very cool. Inspired by shipping containers, but painting it is a job. I see the resemblance. What are you using to paint it? Are you just all in Blender? Tergus, have a good night. And thank you for the lurk. Wait, really? 1, 2, 3. They were like 3 tier 3s in a row? Nah. What if I set this like randomly? Or I set it from here. al.set random relationship points. Okay. I'm very old school in my workflow. I just export the UV layout and go to town. I can get behind that. Literally, I asked you like what you paint in. Just assuming you did new stuff. I'm like that. I don't paint. I definitely export UV layouts and then mess around in Photoshop. Or you know what? I try to not even do that. I do automatic UVs and play with procedurals. I hate doing textures. I hate doing textures. I like relying on materials and colors, and that's it. Okay. What's next? What's next? Let me go back to this. So now I know when you get a gift. I know what relationship level you're at. Let's implement one. Let's just do one. I'll do one. I'll do one. Hollis is always the first to arrive. I don't know why, but they. Yeah, it's funny. I don't even remember what gender I assigned Hollis. Like none, but what did I have in mind when I made them? I don't remember. Let's just say they. Hollis, do I have any dialogue for you? Dialogue guests. Hollis, I do. Oh, Hollis is the LARPer. Hollis, what's the LARPing scene around here? I just moved here. I haven't met any other LARPers. Well, my name might be Hollis, but my preferred name is Hollyander, High Elf Mage of the Third Age. I don't even know what that means. I made that up. I forgive you for not recognizing me because I'm not in my proper attire. Sorry for not recognizing you. Well, actually, I have a favor to ask. I'm here on a quest in search of the final piece to my ensemble, an ancient staff of ancient wood filled with ancient knobs. I hear there's a grove near here with magical properties. If you find the staff I'm looking for, I would be eternally grateful. This is beautiful. Thank you so much. Gift, role-playing table. I just upgraded my set at home, so please take my old table as a token of my gratitude. Bam! Hollis gives you a gift for finding them. He, she, maybe? I think it's he. Okay, we're going to go with he. Hollis gifts you a role-playing, like a Dungeons and Dragons table. And he asks you to find a staff of ancient wood. So maybe you have to maybe he gives you the recipe and you just need to go get the ingredients. Like some kind of old knobby wood. There's tens of us who do things the XSI way. Tens! Yeah, God, I feel so out of touch lately. I don't know. I mean, I don't know what it is. Of course I know what it is. It's just everyone doing stuff new ways and using new tools, and I just feel so I don't know. So old, too old school. I feel too old school. All right, let's get this in the game. Got to do it. Got to do it. Hollis. So how's this going to work? This is what they say. This is what they say if you're not up to the right relationship yet. What do they say if you are? And how do I check? I could have everything here. It's not that complicated. I'll just put everything here for now, and if I feel like I need to separate it out into multiple conversations, I will. I do it kind of out of necessity. There aren't any really any painting suites I can afford, nor would they even work on Linux. Just Blender painting just sucks. So I honor those that came 15 years before me. Yeah, what's free? Wait, isn't 3D Coat? 3D Coat's not free. Mari's definitely not free. ZBrush definitely not free. Surface. What's it called? Adobe just bought it. Surface Designer. No, Substance Painter. Substance Painter. Definitely not free. Probably the cheapest of the options, but still not free. Yeah, there's no good ones. So this should be the lowest priority. Literally, the last priority is with their default text. So what I can do is I can check how Hollis's quest. So I guess I need to make a quest, right? This sounds like a fetch quest. I gotta do a fetch quest. Armory paint is 20 bucks, but you can compile it yourself for free. But I'm lazy. Wait, then do that. I probably should check it out at some point, not today, but surely tomorrow. Surely. Surely tomorrow. Put it on the list. Put it on the to-do list. Okay. So I need one. Let's make a child node here, and we'll say the quest. And then this is now normal priority. This is low. This is normal. You torment me with the list. Good. I want to torment you with the list, just like Rocket League torments me with losing. Forcing me to make game instead of play game. I'm seriously considering taking that out. No, I'm not. Just remember, I just gotta remember to play casual. It's working? Nice. Wait, is that good? So this needs a continue. Check. This is if so we do this if relationship is greater than let me also do this actually. Make a new quest. Yes, I hit the plus button down here to add a new quest, and all the way up here to add one quest. And this is going to be called the staff. The staff infection. No, the staff of nightmares. No. Staff only. Staff only. There we go. Gotta go for a while. See you around. Yag, have a good one. Thanks for hanging out. Trackable, track on start has sub entries. Yep. Trackable, track on start has sub entries. Staff only. EM4 Hollis asked me to make him a asked me to make him a staff, an ancient staff, which is EM1 ancient staff. To go with his mage. I can't say D&D. Mage role-playing. Mage cosplay? Nif Rydell. Thank you for the follow. Welcome in. Bad Manners, what's up? Good morning. Okay, Hollis asked me to make him an ancient staff. An ancient staff to go with his mage cosplay. What? I'll just say no. I'll just say asked me to make him an ancient staff. Okay. And the entry is what is the entry? Do I spawn a special tree that only spawns when this quest is available? Do I just say collect the resource? I want you to be able to, I want you to have to like go get something and then. Well, maybe it's a glowstone. Ooh, I like that actually. The glowstone. So maybe it's a magical staff with a glowing stone in the center. And that's like part of it. Maybe you don't have to make the staff. Maybe you just have to go get the stone. He's like, I got this idea. I need a stone that glows. And if you've ever been in the cave, you know that there is a glowstone in there. All right. Well, it doesn't really matter yet. I'll just say give staff. Just temporarily. I just need a quest to start writing. So conversations. I need a way to get your level from the conversation, from the dialogue engine. Okay, let's do that. NPC system. Registered with dialogue system. Get friendship level. Get current NPC. Wait a minute. Get NPC location. Wait a minute. Get NPC location. Oh, it returns a bool. Whoops. That's a poorly named function. It should be get, like, is NPC in location. That's a terrible function. All right, we need to put this down here because we're going to expose it. Get friendship level. And then we also need to know if we've received the gift. Yeah. Not really, actually. We might. Because sometimes it's a quest, and if it's a quest, we can check if the quest is complete. But if it's not a quest, then we need to know if we've just received the gift. Okay, yeah. This returns an int, this returns bool. Get guest. All right, so this is a bool, copy paste. Get gifts received, bink, bink. And it inputs a, what does it? Oh, that's right. We need a string version. We need a string version. So I take everything back. This does not go down there. This does not go down there. I need a string version. Also, I do this for loop so many times. I need a function that's just get NPC by string name. Get NPC. So if the conversation name equals it, or if NPC name equals NPC dot name, dialogue name, return it. Or if NPC name equals NPC name dot straight up name. If any of these, return NPC. Otherwise, return null. Okay. That's cleaner. Get NPC friendship level. So return NPC friendship level. String name. There we go. Else return -1. This actually doesn't save that many lines of code. It's kind of funny. Oh, I can say this. Duh. No, I can't. That's not how that works. It's funny. Sometimes I get the conversation name and sometimes I get the dialogue name. I don't remember what the difference is. Do I have it in a note? Dialogue name is formatted underscore. Conversation name is formatted with a /. I feel like there's a cleaner way to do this, but I don't care right now. Oh wow, I have so many functions called get NPC. It's all right. All right, so I have a get level. And what was the other one I needed? I needed a get received gift. That's right. String NPC name. return NPC dot sheets. All right. Now we got the functions we need. Just need to register them. So here we go. This only is one string. And then the other one is get friendship level. No. I don't care about their level, right? I don't care about their level, actually. The only thing I care about is whether or not their level equals their tier level, which that's another bool. So I don't need get NPC friendship level. I need get get what is it? Tiered, no, gift tier achieved, and it returns a bool. So if the current friendship level is greater than or equal to NPC.gift tier, that's what I need. False. There we go. So we need this one. Get gift. So get gift tier achieved. Get gift received. Get guest gift tier achieved. Oh my god, that's horrible. Get guest gift? No, I'm gonna leave it like this. Uh-oh. Ooh, I never unregistered these functions. Whoops. I had other functions that I never unregistered. I wonder if I was like leaking memory because of that. I don't understand if that matters. I don't think it does, because this system is a singleton, and unregistering functions of a singleton is pointless. Singletons always exist. See, this guy gets it. Dev console singleton. Add command. There's no remove command. Well, there probably is. Remove command. Yeah, there is. All right. Now I need to add these bools to the dialog system controller. Almost there. Almost there. I feel like I need another scriptable object. This thing is getting big. It's a condition. NPC dot, or no, not unregister. Get gift received. No, get guest gift received. And then the other one, string returns bool. The other one is NPC dot, or NPC slash get gift tier. get gift tier achieved. Okay. Wait, those are two of the same function? I check if it's received. Oh, right. I forgot what it did. Its achievement is if if your relationship has reached that level. That's very poorly worded. These functions are so poorly worded. Well, how can I make this better? Get gift friendship tier. No, we're gonna leave it. I'm just gonna leave it. Whatever. Yeah, get gift tier achieved. Whatever. And then this also. Takes in a string, returns a bool. Finally. So to enter this quest, we need to check for the guest's name, which is, oh, I forget. It's so hard to get their name from here. Conversant index actor dot name, something like that. Where am I looking? I do it in everybody's chats. Carlos chats. It's actor variable conversant index dot name. So confusing. Excuse me. So we want to check, no, get tier achieved. If tier achieved, me, no. Oh yeah, me. If tier achieved, if this is true, and gift not received, apply. So this is the quest start, and that needs to be high priority, right? There's actually a different one. So there's another entry point that I can make more generic. Create child node, which is as long as it's not completed, right? As long as this quest is not completed. Which is basically this as well. So maybe I cut this out. If this equals false. Conditions. So if this equals false, then we're still in the quest, right? And then from here, I figure out what part of the quest we're in. So no, I'm so stupid. because I also need to know if we can enter. Yeah, these are... I'm losing my mind. I'm losing it. Yeah. All right. That's quest start. We're of the right level, and we haven't received an item yet. These logic trees are, they always throw me off. I always get them wrong. I should be writing up all the different states. So maybe this isn't quest start. Make link. Okay. Quest start is now if literally the quest hasn't started. Make child node. So this is pretty simple. If quest staff only is unassigned. If we have not been given the quest yet, we do quest start. Copy, paste. Make link. If it is assigned, if it's active, that means we've already gotten this spiel. This is high priority. And then we need to do a check if we have the conditions met or if not. I have to do this for every character. I mean, once I do it once, it'll be easier. It's literally just copying and pasting. But finding the right flow of the conversations, this is always the hardest part. This is what I spent 3 hours on the other day, just for basic guests. Needs to be modular. Needs to be expected by the player. Ameripon! Of course I get an ad. I saw it coming. So this is like middle. So what happens if we've completed the quest? Make link. So now this one is if this is true. And this is of the highest priority. Or, no, this is low. This is normal. We can make this high. Doesn't need to be super high. So this is like post quest conversation. Need to know what they would say if you've finished the quest. Should they say anything new? Should they just go back to saying their stock thing? And we're done, Ameripon. How's it going? Silly Japanese ads offering me beer I don't even drink. Yeah, I've been getting a lot of beer ads lately. I used to get a lot of pet ads, and now I don't get a lot of pet ads. And I'm wondering how much the internet knows about my situation, my pet related situation. Because it's been pretty good about not showing me pet stuff. All right, is this correct? I already wrote this out here. Ameripon, how are you? How are you? We have greeting, intro to quest, active quest, reward conversation, post reward. Yeah. So this is greeting, intro to quest, active quest, and then reward. The internet knows everything, especially what you did last summer. Now that you said pet like 3 times, it's always listening. Marketing AI gods will now deliver you nothing but pet ads for the next week. That would suck. So these conditions, the annoying thing is these conditions are not always the same. Like the quest stuff is a non-generic value. Should I make this quest? Should I make it now? Basically, I think it's going to be like go to the cave, get a glowstone, and then go to the woods, go to the forest, and get a unique piece of wood. Maybe the unique piece of wood only drops once for this quest. Like, I don't know. Maybe if you just have the stuff, it's fine. I guess it's fine if you just have the stuff. That's how the cookie crumbles. If you're gonna hoard items, then I shall reward you with less time spent going to get said items. But at least this is all the same. This will never change. It's always a low priority chat, a middle priority quest with these exact generic conditions, and then post quest whatever. Oh, come on. Came in. So let me implement this. So what's my conversation? Hollis. What's the LARPing scene around here? I have the player responding, but that's not this is not really this game's vibe. Yo, Red Cabin, how are you? Shout out to Red Cabin. I see you're like picking up on your Twitter posts. I feel like I didn't see much from you for like a couple of months, and then bam, there you are. I saw you were doing a lot of like crazy refactoring. Also, last night, I think I lost my streak on your stream. You did like a midnight stream for me. It's the redeem that helps force me to do it. I didn't realize. I didn't realize it wasn't under your own volition. You have a Market the Game redeem? Did Grumble steal it from you? Or did you steal it from Grumble? I streamed like 10 a.m. to 16 or something. I guess that's almost midnight for you. Yeah. Yeah, I was going to bed and I popped open the app because I saw I got like a follow just randomly. And then you were like my homepage, like Twitch open, boom, Red Cabin. I'm like, oh, all right, I'll keep this open for like a minute, but I kind of came to the resolve that I was going to lose the streak. Ever since I lost my giant one on Grumble's stream, I've just been okay losing streaks now. It was a little sad. Hollis says, I forgive you for not recognizing me because I'm not in my attire. That's not a great line. Why would you recognize him? I don't know. He's being silly. You're being silly, Hollis. Well, actually, I have a favor to ask you. Let's break that up a bit. I'm here on a quest in search of the final piece to my ensemble. An ancient staff. Made of ancient wood. Filled with ancient gems. I feel like I want the dialogue to lean into the LARPing, but then come out of character for beats. But yeah, cannot write dialogue on stream. Impossible. I'll have to rewrite it later. Let's just get it in the game. Just get it in there. Find the stuff. If you find the staff I'm looking for. Wait, I'm here in a quest in search of the final piece to my ensemble. An ancient staff made of ancient wood with ancient gems. I hear there's a grove nearby with magical properties. Near here with magical properties. And I'll say, if you can make me the staff I'm looking for, I would be eternally grateful. So I'll give like a recipe, a crafting recipe for the staff. That edit. And then yeah, you just need just one and done. One and done. It won't do anything. Should the staff do something? No. It's just a toy. We're all over the world. It's impossible to keep up. It is. It is. You think you stole it? What? What? All right, so I need a new item. I will duplicate the. It's funny. I already have a magic wand item. Should I just use that? Should I change it to be a magic wand? It is a weapon class. That doesn't make any sense. Excuse me. No, I'll duplicate the What is a totally pointless item that your character holds? A totally pointless item that your character carries. I guess a resource. I guess, yeah, I should just duplicate a piece of resource. So, resource stone. I need the recipe, the item, scriptable object, and the, yeah, I don't need a pool, no. So item recipe, ancient staff. It's so ancient. So how do you make an ancient staff? Well, you need a glowstone. Ooh, I don't have an item for a glowstone. I'll have to make one, okay. And then I need a softwood. Softwood plank. Let's say softwood plank. I'll say two softwood planks. And since I don't have a glowstone right now, I'll just say like uranium. Radioactive gem. Radioactive metal. What is uranium? What kind of thing is it? I don't even know. Matt Bird's Quest, welcome in. Are you making a skybox? No, I'm writing dialogue. This is just where my viewport landed. Or I'm designing a quest and making some items to go with the quest. But yeah, welcome in. How are you? So once you have the item, I need to check if you have the item yet in your inventory or if not. Let's see. You've heard of it? Yeah, this is Alpine Lake. This is the dev stream. How have you heard of it? YouTube. Yeah, I did have one video did well, just one. But welcome in. Yeah, that's cool. Not mine. Wait, what? What? Which video? Which video did you see? I'm curious now. I mean, if it wasn't Pirate Software, then I don't know. I think it was looking at upcoming things. Interesting. I know I was included in one of those from a long time ago. Like, oh, games coming out in 2024. And when I saw that, I'm like, oh no, I'm coming out in 2025. I immediately went everywhere and changed the date. But that was that. I don't think that video was very popular. Yo, Atrum, good morning. If it wasn't Pirate Software, it could have echoed. Yeah, we made a brief. It was a brief moment where we were on Pirate Software. Want to hear a joke? Sure. All right, so the quests go. Entry. Craft an EM4 ancient staff. EM4. And then once you craft it, should it be craft or just give? Yeah, give EM4 Hollis. An ancient staff, and items are EM1. Okay. I wish this system, this like EM system, wasn't EM. It's just for emphasis. I just want to like put name or NPC, and then here I want to put item. I have to pre-read this just to make sure it's safe for work. Wait, a man walks into a library, asks the librarian if they have any books on Schrodinger or Pavlov. She replies, "We may or may not have them, but those names do ring a bell." That is very safe for work. Thank you. Ridiculous. Is this the only entry? Just give him a staff. Yeah. All right, we only got one entry. It's good, right? It's pretty good. I have jokes that are ridiculous. Well, make sure they're safe. It's a very PG-13 stream here. Okay, so conversations, I just need to check. So if we're unassigned, cool. If we're active, oh right, I need to give the quest. I never gave it. Yeah, let's give the quest. Script, quest, staff only, active. Also, quest entry, staff only, give Hollis, active, apply. Cool. Oh, and we have to give the recipe too. So gift. Action, give gift. Give transaction. And we need to give the ancient staff transaction. There we go. I'm rated R IRL, but I'm aiming for E and cutting the change at PG-13. If you like pirate jokes, make sure to follow Irish Strong Games too. He's also in Pirate Software's stream team, Pirate Crew. He's a bud. He's a daytime bud. He streams like 12 hours from now. All right, so we give the recipe and we set the quest to active. Great. So here, the quest is active. We say create child node. If the quest is active, then we need to check the inventory for the item. Conditions. Custom. Nope. Not custom. Where is it? Collection. Festival. Oh. IE. Inventory engine. That's so confusing. Yo, thank you for the follow. I followed him. Nice. If you like bad jokes, be sure to follow me. Are you a streamer also? That was a joke, not self-promotion. You can self-promote. Are you a streamer? Main inventory. Ancient. Oh, what did I call it? Resource. Ancient staff is greater than, or yeah, is greater than 0. Apply. I think that's how I do it. I need the inventory name, the item name, and that's it. So if it's greater than 0, that means we have the item. We should end the quest and then create child. This is if it's equal to 0. Can't wait to see that staff. I'm gonna be the most powerful mage in all the land. Wait, it's funnier telling jokes to an empty room. Not that I tell them, I just say stupid things. I followed him a week ago. I just started. Now I'm halfway to being able to add emojis and funner things. I'm in no rush right now. I'm just doing a bit of meta streaming and building up the stream assets and stuff on the stream. Oh, like meta streaming, like you're working on your overlay on stream. That's how it starts. That's how it starts. What kind of content are you making? Are you doing dev or are you playing games? I mean, I'm assuming dev since you're in dev category. It's usually how it works. All right, so if you have it, he says, wow. Wow. Will you look at that? This is gorgeous. Thank you so much. And then we're going to take it. We're going to take it. So, script. Dev with Lex. Thank you for the follow. Welcome in. Aiming to have the feel of Saturday morning cartoon mid segments for 90s kids adults. Nice. Wait, where'd it go? Yeah, script plus custom inventory engine. Remove item. Main inventory. And then resource ancient staff. Take one. We only need one. And then we always need to check this one first, so above normal. Will you look at that? It's gorgeous. Thank you so much. And then boom, quest complete. So we'll say quest staff only is success. Plus quest entry staff only success. Apply. Boom. Perfect. Yo, Soul, thank you for contributing. Dividing it into half-hour Pomodoro. So I take a break on the half hour. It'll be half-hour show segments across the range of game dev skills. But while I set it up, it's 1 intro, 3 code, Spoke.js library. Wait. Oh, I'm not sure what the stars are. What the stars represent. 3 art, 3 game, probably Zelda. How do you Oh, I see. One 30-minute chunk intro. And then 3 30-minute chunks code. 3 30-minute chunks art. Is it like that? I'm aiming to make it a charity mind game stream. Like gamified charity. Oh, that's nice. Kind of how games done quickly. So you have like a whole brand figured out. I just hit go live and start working. You've got like an emotional journey that you want to put the viewer on. Screw brand. I mean, you just said you want to have it to be like Saturday morning cartoon mid segments for 90s. That's a brand. That's yeah. It's all right. You don't have to shy away from it. I mean, I have a brand. The brand is playing quiet ass music and doing Unity. It's a brand. Trey, how's it going? Welcome in. I have a really important question. Go for it. Ask away. If I'm gonna show up, I might as well perform. Of course. What's your favorite number and why? I don't know. I feel uncomfortable answering that question for some reason. I do have a favorite number. It's 6 because my birthday is 6/6. Yes. I'm imagining you on the other end of your computer hacking a password of mine somewhere, and it's asking you a security question what my favorite number is. And you're just like, oh, he's on stream. Perfect. I'll ask him. 666. I like it. Yeah. I just want to learn the API because I want to use it for other projects. Wait, which API? Which one are you talking about? The bespoke JavaScript library? Your favorite number is 14, and the age of Trunks was when he entered the series. You're a DBZ fan. No. What is that? Ridiculous. Oh, the Twitch API. Yeah, the Twitch API is beyond me. It looks fun. Everyone's having so much fun making their overlays. I follow a lot. I follow a lot of software dev streamers that focus heavily on their overlay, and they make heavy use of the API. 6 is a solid answer. I respect the single digit. Honestly, I feel like favorite numbers have to be single digit. Honestly, it's out of the realm of possibility for your favorite number to be beyond 10. I don't know why. To me, your favorite number, like singular number, it's like a character. It's not two characters next to each other that form a larger number. But I guess number is not a character. Number is a value. So it could be anything. If your favorite number is single digit, it keeps appearing in other numbers. Yeah, more to go around. Wait, one time Japanese people told me in Japanese, wow, you really are Goku? I can say that. I could say, Subarashi, anata hontoni, anata wa hontoni Goku desu. There you go. I live in Japan, so I can speak a little bit. I'm trying my best. If your favorite number, oh, I read that already. Aesthetically, I see where you're coming from, but mathematically, I would disagree. Same. Usually, though, when I'd wear that shirt in Japan, most people would yell, Kame Seinin, and want me to do the Kamehameha. But I'd start and instead do a Hadouken, and they would try to teach me the right way. I like 12, but I dislike 1 and 2. That's complicated. That was close. But they were in Osaka, so they said Honma? What's Honma? Oh, you're in Nishinari. Oh, that's cool. 6 years. Nice. I just moved here like 6 months ago. If we keep talking to him, he won't get any work done. That's why we're here. I need a break. It's painful to make these quests sometimes. All right. We're almost done though. So if you have it, we say this. If you don't have it, we say this. If you do have it, we say this. And then that's it. Quest is over. So now what happens when... Oh, right. I need to set this to true. I need to say guest gift received. Set guest gift received. Oh my God. I say that 10 times fast. I can't. I can't even say it once. I moved back to New Zealand on March 15th. You're a Kiwi Canadian. Gonna let you do your quest. No, no worries. I get so mad about that quest system, not gonna lie. Atrum! I wish I had a better one. I wish I had a better one. I would go crazy with it. It took me a really long time to start using it because I hated it at first. I'm like, this is so manual. Why is this like this? But I realized there's so much nuance like between the different quests that I started to like it because it's very open-ended. It's not like, oh, the only way you can finish a quest is to do a very specific action so it gets repetitive. Like, I can trigger this stuff anywhere in the game, which makes it cool, but it also makes it dangerous. Yag, you're back. Welcome back. Listening to programmers program aloud is fun, but they sound crazy. Yeah, we do. Oh, ad break in 1 minute. Sorry. But. Atrum, I'd love to see a better system. It's way too late for me to use a different system, but I'd love to see one for my next game. Hey, Zoe. How's it going? In a year or two, I'm going to show you a real quest system. I am looking forward to it. And then I guess for post quests, I just won't have them right now. We're just going to go back to this. Because this will be true. And then, yeah, if I just disconnect this. There. Now we just go back to our regularly scheduled nonsense. I live for game night. All right. What's next? I need to implement a way to change this variable from the dialogue system. So I need a set guest gift received. Hey, Cassie Codes. How are you? So one more new function. I have so many functions that I'm exposing. I don't like it. Public. Set guest gift received. And then all I got to do is... I'm sick today. No. No, I'm so sorry. I hope it's not too bad. I hope it's just like a stupid cold or a not so bad flu. There is no such thing as a good flu. I hope it's just like an itchy eye. Thanks for popping up my stream. Oh, you guys know each other. Nice. Exposing functions. Oh my. Oh my. Yag. It's a good thing we're in ads. None of you heard that. Actually, except you, Cassie. You heard it. Oh, that's right. That's right. I always forget. Kilika. Kilika, no, you didn't. You didn't hear anything. I think I secretly like getting a cold as a great excuse to not do anything all day. I can get that. It's like, oh yeah, I'm too sick to do work. I'm too sick to get up. I kind of have to just play video games and eat junk food all day. I'm sorry now. I'm gonna call you now. I think I said this last time. But good morning. How's it going? Or good evening. I don't know where you are, but Nisha, that's right. That's right. We did this already. I'm never gonna remember that. It's gonna be so hard. Usually, I mean, yeah, it's gonna be hard. I'm just gonna apologize and move on. Also, Matt, let me give you a follow. Maybe I'll catch you next time. It's a right morning for me. Okay. Well, good morning to you. It reminds me of that line from Daffy Duck on Space Jam when he got hit with a basketball. I don't want to go to school today, Mommy. I want to stay home and bake cookies with you. That's so obscure. Oh no, I want junk food. I just stepped out of the shower. I wish I can go to the store and get the junkiest ramen. I am. Yeah, I need to eat more ramen. No, I need to stay away from ramen. The scale is being very unkind to me lately. Like, usually I'll fluctuate between a weight that I'm like, oh no, I've gained some weight. And then I'll go back down, like, all right, I've only gained a few pounds. But now it's fluctuating between, oh no, I've gained way too much weight. And what used to be the high point, now it's a problem. Now it's like, okay, Japan, you got me. You know how to fatten me up, and I gotta be better. I gotta beat this. I don't know what it is. I cannot control myself. It is physically impossible to stop eating so much and like such rich food. We're in Japan, are you? I'm in Tokyo. You need to stockpile instant ramen like the rest of us. I don't have any ramen in the house. I got none. It was easy for me. Vegetarian in Japan is crazy. Not as crazy as vegan, but still. Oh, yeah, vegetarian's impossible. Being a vegetarian here is so hard. The hell do you eat? It's like, I guess meat. You can have meatless ramen. You can have a lot of tofu. That's got to be hard. Hating on ramen, you got to have, yeah, you got to have, sorry. You're going to have to look wherever you walk now. Might get jumped for saying that. No, I love ramen. It's making me fat. It's just it's so heavy. Not impossible, just depressing. Oh, I believe it. Next career, sumo, let's go. Hadouken, I'm almost there. Can't often have meatless ramen. Usually dashi or meat juices. That's right. That's right. You have a couple of times. Ramen is amazing. Yeah, it's so good. I was recently alerted that my neighborhood has like one of the best ramen places in Tokyo, and I never go to it because the line is always like an hour long. But I need to make an effort to stand on that line one day. It's not called fat when you're married. It's called huggable. No. But there's like, I don't know. Sometimes when I look at myself in the mirror, I don't see who I used to be. Like I see it like someone way bigger than I used to be. And it doesn't make me feel good. And my body just doesn't feel good. It's not even so much, it's like partly looks. I'm vain. We're all vain a little bit, but so I'm a little vain. I see the looks and I'm just like, all right, I got to fix that. But I also feel like crap. Like comparatively, my energy is way lower. My joints hurt. I just don't feel good. And I want to blame it on my diet. Like diet's everything. There's just more of you to love. Yeah, but it's just like a painful existence. I'm just so like I can just physically feel different. I mean, it could be getting older, but it's just so significant from 6 months ago. Diet is half, movement is the other. Yeah, getting out it's harder. It's getting harder and harder. Moving. It's all, yeah, mind and spirit's all balance. You're right. It is all balance. All right. Enough shaming myself. because it's not that bad. It's not that bad. No more shaming myself. What's this function I'm writing? Get gift received, set gift received. So I need to get the NPC and then sheets dot sheets NPC dot received equals. Oh, right. I need to pass a bool. Bool val. And we don't pass anything. Void. Or we don't return anything. Okay. So now we can set the guest gift. Nisha, I do triathlon, and the 3 cornerstones of getting better are training, eating, and sleep. Agreed. Agreed. I need a regiment. I mean, I'm not trying to run any marathons or anything, or do any triathlons. That sounds difficult. Congrats. Congrats to you. That's all. That takes a lot of effort. Prots, good morning. Cody Coder, how's it going? Make a plan, get a treadmill for during stream and work. Work plus exercise redeemable. I could do that. I didn't want to like turn it into that kind of stream. I'm doing a standing desk thing. I wish I had one. I remember being at IKEA and I was like, okay, I can get this version of the desk, or I can spend an extra $70 and get the standing desk version. And why the hell didn't I spend the extra money? I was being cheap. Make Puya do jumping jacks. I can use it. It's a bit brutal some days, but 5-minute Pomodoro breaks go a long way to help. You mean doing like standing desk the whole time? What about only eating and sleeping? Yeah, that's where I'm at. I try to do at least, like 4 miles of walking a day. Sometimes if I haven't hit that, I'll just go outside and walk. Today, I did not hit that. All right. I think I'm fading. All right, register. We need to set guest gift received. Wait, I before E except after C. And then set guest gift received. And it takes a string and a bool. Wait, bool dot. Wait, what? How do I say bool? How do I say it takes a bool? I'll just not take anything. I'll just always set it to true. Bam! Problem solved. Programming 101. Is it Boolean? Maybe. No, it's something else. I forget how. This is weird, like registering a Lua function in the dialogue system. It's not like standard stuff. How we doing today? I don't know. How's everyone doing? We're doing tree waving. That's how we're doing. 5-screen standing desk is one of the most beautiful, absurd things I've ever done. That is absurd. Uppercase bool? Maybe. Let's see. I know there's a way. If I do this, register function, one of these has to have a bool. Double, string that empty. None of them take a bool? So weird. String, 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 double, string. I don't know. Yeah, I don't know. Oh, wait a minute. I don't think you can. I think I have to pass a double. I don't think you can pass a bool. I think it has to be a double. That's right. That's like a limitation of this. Bool doesn't exist. It's just passes numbers back and forth, and you have to use that. Oh well. Sorry, I don't need it. All right, one more thing. So here I say, oh wait, I have to add it to the dialogue system extensions. One more. So this one's going to be called the npc.set gift set guest gift received. And we pass in a parameter string. And we return, oh no, you definitely can pass in a bool. It's literally right here. These are all the things you can pass in. Whatever. And we return nothing. We don't care. Oh, because it's not a conditional actually. We want to take it out of here. Script functions. Add. NPC. Set gifts, gift received. Pass in string. Okay. So now here, I can say one more function. You can say custom NPC set guest gift received, and the recipient is, I don't know. I'll have to change it later. Apply. Who is it? It's you. It's this. Bam. Great. Okay, I think that's everything. Doing too big of a code rewrite and hating it. Restructuring site URLs. Cody. Sounds painful. I streamed and worked, but watched streamers on most of my Pomodoro breaks. Got some code, pixel art, game done. Successful, I reckon. Sounds like a success to me. 5 hours of focus is pretty hard for most people to drive themselves. Yeah. Like, I'm at 3.5 right now of moderate focus, and I've hit my limit. I'm hungry. I want dinner. Break is over. Got to go back to work. Have a nice one, y'all. Nisha, I'm going to try really, really hard to remember your name. Have a good one. That's a lot. I got distracted by things very often. Same. I try. It's brutal. I managed to get myself out of a bug I left myself with half a year ago when I put the project down. That's a long time ago. But I've had bugs for a year as well. So I get it. All right. I think I'm going to call it. I'm going to run to the grocery store and get some ingredients. I'm going to cook tonight. I'm going to do some cooking, which I never do, because why would you cook here? It's going to be more expensive to cook than to go out. But I'm going to do it anyway. Let's find a nice raid target. Dev with Lex. Welcome. Yeah, thanks for hanging. Cooking stream? No. A bunch of dumb bugs that AI put in. Never listen to AI. All right, let's do some credits. Let's do some credits and wrap up. Find someone to raid. Roll 'em. Everybody, thank you for hanging with me today. Dev with Lex, Matt Birds, Nif Rydell, and Noah. Thank you so much for the follows. And DJ, thank you for that raid. I know you're sleeping, but appreciate it. I'm going to find a raid target. I really appreciate everyone hanging. I got some stuff done. I feel like I fleshed out the flow of an NPC, but I didn't implement it yet, so I won't know for sure if it's right. Oh God, should we raid T-Pain? T-Pain's on. I want to raid T-Pain. I can't raid T-Pain. Although on T-Pain's stream, it's just like a steady stream of people raiding in with like 1 to 5 viewers. I'm just like, I guess I could be like that, but nah. Where should we go? Oh wait, here's someone I've never rated this person, and they're in the stream team. Let's do it. Black Void Titan. I've never seen their stream, but yeah, they're in the stream team, and let's go meet a friend. Raid Black Void Titan. All right, everybody. Catch you next time. I'll be back tomorrow. Same time, same place. Kilika. Have a great evening, you as well. Cassie. Bad Manners. Yag. Clay. Oh. Yeah, I did Clay like Thursday. I don't like to raid people too often, too many times. It makes me look clingy and needy. All right, everybody. I'll catch you next time. Appreciate it. Appreciate all the love and the support. Peace.